The Christ Law Firm PC injured in a maritime accident. Protect your rights and get the maximum compensation. Frequently agreed question. Contact us today, name, email, phone number. We handle class involving the following: the Jones Act, the doctrine of the unseaworthiness, maritime injury case. Jones Bogner. I had a work related accident in 2017. After the operation, I was recovering for 8 months. A good friend of mine suggested I look for a lawyer. The Christ Law Firm helped me through everything. Alex Horton was helping me out with a loan to be able to survive the hard time, handle the medical bills, which the union company didn't like to pay, and in the end, before the judge, he made me so much money I was able to pay off all my debts, bought 3 houses and 2 apartments, which are helping me with my retirement. I must say, Mr. Horton isn't only a good lawyer, he is a life savior. Thank you again and again to Christ Law Firm PC for all the help and what they have given me. Accident and injury cases, quaternary waiver. My family and I would like to thank everyone and the Christ Law firm and doing the fantastic job with an unfortunate situation. There is no way we could have accomplished and got through the obstacles and challenges we faced with this case alone. We couldn't have chosen a better firm for the job, and Scott and Alex, they are the best at the way they do. We were always informed and aware of all these proceedings, so we were never caught off guard. One thing we could always rely on was that they always did as promised, and their trust was very important to us. Scott and Alex fought for us until the end, and we are sincerely grateful and thankful for all their hard work, time, and effort. We could not be more pleased with the outcome. Thank you again to everyone at the Christ Law Firm. Workplace Accident Spencer's Books. Scott Christ and the Christ Law Firm are second to none when it comes to the representation of their clients. As a client of Scott's, I can attest to this firsthand. For nearly 3 years, Scott stood firm in his relentless pursuit to assure that my rights were never violated by the company. Scott fought diligently to make sure I received the proper compensation for my injuries. I would recommend Scott Christ and the Christ Law Firm to anyone who's been injured on the job and need a highly skilled team of professionals to represent their best interest for the future. Life changing results. $15.12 million lineman struck by capable. $3.9 million, $2.5 million. Frequently asked question: what makes maritime accident different? A unique set of laws apply to maritime injuries that do not apply to accidents that occur on land, sometimes referred to as admiralty laws. They are designed to protect offshore workers. For example, some injured while a crew member on a ship file a different lawsuit than someone hurt in a car crash. One of the most significant maritime laws in the Jones Act, a federal law that gives seamen the right to sue their employers. Do I need to hire a lawyer? Simply put, maritime accident victims have a lot to worry about, and representation themselves should not be one of them. We are dedicated to serving innocent accident victims and fiercely pursue compensation so that our clients can focus on healing. Let our maritime attorneys investigate your accident and collect the evidences. What is the process to resolve my case? When speaking to about an offshore accident, we will take the time to explain the process and answer any question you have. The initial consultation is free and confidential. Bring all documentation related to the accident, including a copy of the accident report, pictures and videos of the accident site, and on your injuries, medical bills, lost incomes documents, and insurance company documents. This information will be critical to your case. Maritime attorney Scott Christ and his team will help you understand the legal concepts and walk you through the process to get you the compensation you deserve. How much does it cost? At the Christ Law Firm, we work on a contingency fee basis. This means you pay no money.